Hey everyone, in today's video, I am going to show you how to mark invoice as paid on Zoho Books. So let's get started. So now here we are in Zoho Books and we have our invoice right here. So as you can see, it is sent. And basically, if you want to mark this as paid, then what you can do is that you can basically just select the invoice right here and just look for the record payment button. So you have two, so you can just select either of them. In my case, I'll just go here and then you can click here on record payment. And now from here, you would now be able to set the amount that you have received. So in my case, I'll just go for 15 because this invoice is amounting to 15. And then some back charges if there are any, and then a payment date. And then you can deposit it into petty cash, undeposited funds, and so on, depending on what you'd want. And then you'd have your payment methods right here on how you receive that, and then the reference number and some notes or attachments if necessary. And then once you are done with everything, you can now click on a record payment. And then as you can see, it is now marked as paid. So that's how you do it right here. So yeah, that is basically it on how you can mark an invoice as paid in Zoho Books. Thank you for watching.